Little history here. This is the Regency Suspension Bridge. Goes over the Colorado River between San Saba and Mills County. So historical landmark here. Let's see what the water looks like today here, July 5th, 2025. After all this flooding. Since it's the Colorado, it's a little upstream from where the San Saba comes in, so I think it's up, but won't be up as much as San Saba is. Yeah, it's up a bit. Here we are on the bridge. Water's definitely up. It's the Colorado River flowing in here. What's interesting to me is that there's usually a couple of pillars down here that are sticking out in the water, like right in here. Those are the old bridge pillars, and they are underwater. In fact, you can actually see right down here, looks like the water is up a little higher. Not exactly sure how high, but it's definitely higher. In fact, actually, there's some leaves down in there. I think it's these leaves that are up here. That's how high the water has gotten so far. Actually, yeah, you can see the grass over there kind of swept away. So it was another, I don't know, 5 feet or so higher. A little downstream action here. A lot of debris right there. So beautiful. Just started caning it down here. Rain's blowing at 45 degrees. canyon is running.